This video is for you if you've been holding too much, taking in the news, the pace of the world, all of the uncertainty that can come with it. This can quietly build in the body over time, and it's a lot for any nervous system to process. So for now, you don't need to carry all of that. You can gently soften your grip, allow your body to be supported, your breath to move naturally, and to simply be here in stillness. Nothing is being ignored. You're simply returning to a steadier place within. So come back to your breath, come back to yourself, and let's begin. As you arrive in this space, remembering there's nothing you need to do, nowhere you need to go. You're just allowing yourself to be. You may notice the surface beneath you, the way your body is being held and supported. There's no need to adjust too much, just a quiet acknowledgement of exactly where you are. And then gently bring awareness to your breath. No need to change it, just observing the natural rhythm. The inhale arriving, the exhale leaving. The movement of your body as you're breathing in and out. And if the mind feels busy, that's okay. There's been a lot to take in, a lot moving through the world, but you don't need to process any of it right now. This is a space where you can simply pause and as the breath softens in its own time, perhaps you notice the exhale becoming just a little longer, a little slower, letting the body know that it's safe to begin to settle. You might bring a light awareness to your face, softening the space that surrounds the eyes, the jaw, allowing the tongue to rest gently and heavy in the mouth. And then noticing the shoulders, allowing them to drop even slightly, subtly, creating just a little more space in the chest. Nothing is forced, just small shifts that invite the body to soften. And as you rest here, breathing, noticing, arriving, you can begin to sense that this time is yours. A space to step out of the noise, returning to something quieter, something steadier within yourself. And when you're ready, we'll begin to move through the body, bringing gentle awareness to one area at a time. Bringing awareness to your right hand thumb, your right first finger, middle finger, ring finger, and little finger, your right wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm, armpit, side, waist and hip, the right thigh, the right knee, the right lower leg, the right ankle, the right foot, heel, arch, sole, the right big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, and little toe. And now bring awareness to your left hand thumb, first finger, middle finger, ring finger, and little finger. The palm of the left hand, the top of the left hand, and the left wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder, armpit, the left side, and the left waist, the left hip, thigh, knee, lower leg, the left big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, and little toe. And as your awareness moves through the body, we start to include a sense of the whole, not just individual parts, but how the body is held together, the front, the back, inside and out. Begin to notice the front of the body, the space of the face, the throat, the chest, the abdomen, pelvis, a gentle awareness of the front body, the part of you that meets the world. And now shifting your awareness to the back of the body, the back of the head, the neck, the shoulders, the length of the spine, the back of the ribs, the lower back, the back of the pelvis. Noticing the support here, the part of you that holds you, even when you're not aware of it. And now holding both together, the front body and the back body, a sense of being supported from behind and softly open at the front. And from here, begin to bring your awareness to the space that's in between, the inner line of the body, from the base, your root, up the spine, gently rising upward towards your crown. Beginning at the base, a quiet sense of feeling grounded. Your lower abdomen, a sense of fluidity, gentle movement. The upper abdomen, a soft warmth, a steadying presence. And now move to the center of your chest, your heart space. You might imagine a soft light here. With each inhale, a gentle glow. With each exhale, a softening, a widening, an expansion. There's no need to force anything, just allowing this space to feel open and simply present. Bringing awareness to the space between your eyebrows, the third eye, a quiet point of focus. You might notice a subtle light or simply a sense of awareness gathering here. The breath gently moves in and out in this space, connecting you with your intuition. And now the crown, a sense of openness, space, light, wisdom, clarity, strength. Breathing into your crown, as if the breath could move all the way up from your root and gently out, without effort. And then allowing these spaces to be connected from the base through the center toward the crown, a soft line of awareness, not rigid, just present. And if it feels natural, you might imagine each center softly illuminated from your root to your crown, through the heart and the third eye, gently brightening with each breath, glowing and growing brighter and whiter. Working together, breathing together, the body is one, the breath moving through, a quiet sense of union, of integration. And now take yourself to the edge of a quiet stream. The water moves steadily, carrying everything at its own pace. No rush. As you sit, you might begin to notice thoughts arriving. Things you've seen, heard, read. The weight of the world in its many forms. And you don't need to hold them. One by one, you can place them onto the surface of the water. A headline, a conversation, feeling that you've been carrying. Gently placing it onto a leaf and let the river take it. No force, no urgency. Just allowing it to move. And you might notice how quickly the mind wants to reach back and pick things up again. but you can simply return to observing, letting the river carry what was never yours to hold alone. And as you stand observing the stream, notice if there's anything that still feels heavy in your body. And you might notice where that sits. Is it in your chest, your shoulders, your jaw? And just for a moment, allow it to take on a shape, a weight, a pressure, a density. And in your own time, you can gently place it down beside you, not pushing it away, not getting rid of it, just no longer holding it inside your body. And maybe you notice a subtle change now, even slightly, in your breath, your posture, the internal space. You are still here, present, steady, able to meet the world from within your own space. And now take an inhale, and as you exhale, just allow everything to soften just a little more than you thought possible. No need to hold any particular focus, just resting in the sense of the whole body, breathing, settled, supported, and safe. Returning to the natural rhythm of your breath again, the gentle rise and the fall. Noticing the contact points of your body, the weight beneath you resting into the surface, support at the back of your body, and the front of the body soft. You might begin to notice the space around you once more, the room you're in, the temperature of the air on your skin, maybe the air brushing across your top lip as you're breathing in and out. And then gently bring a little movement back into the body. Perhaps a soft wiggle of the fingers and toes, a small roll through the wrists. Nothing is rushed, just allowing the body to reawaken in its own time, listening to what it's asking for. If your eyes have been closed, you may wish to blink them open, or simply soften your gaze, taking in light, shape, and color. And as you check in with yourself, just noticing how you feel now. No need to name it, just a quiet awareness. Carrying this sense of steadiness with you as you move back into the rest of your day, or gently into rest if you're heading towards sleep.